alloy 2024 T4 is subjected to a stress amplitude of 220 MPa. So why don't we write that down? I'm going to write it down. All right. I'm going to click on here and then go to insert symbol. And that's going to be a sigma. Sigma subscript A. And it's going to have units of MPa, right? 220. Okay, using the Morrow equation in the true fracture strength form, which is this one right here, so this one with the true fracture strength, we need to estimate the life for mean stresses. So what we need to do is we need to use this formula and solve for NF, essentially. We have different sigma m's, so let me copy that. I'm going to have to get a table value as well, some table values actually. Sigma m, we have 0, 110, and 110 in compression, which would be negative. Okay, so we have these things. Now, what are some other things that we need because we want to find the life? So that's NF, the cycles until failure. But we don't have B. We don't have sigma prime of F. They did give us sigma A and sigma M, but we don't have this one either. So if we go to, we go over here, and I forgot what it was. 2024, aluminum 2024 T4. So aluminum 2024 T4 is right here. So I'm just going to copy the whole table right up till there. So now we're going to have the table right here so we can reference the values. The aluminum 2024, we want to have our true fracture strength, which is 631. So let me write that down. Copy, paste over here. Then we want to put a prime here, and then the subscript F and B. I don't know how to do the tilde. And that's going to be 631. 631. Okay. Then we have sigma prime F. It's the same thing, but without the B. Sigma prime F. Our sigma prime F is 900. And then we have our, look, we need our B right here. So we're going to get our B from here, minus 0.102. So B doesn't have any units, minus 0.102. Okay, so now that we have these things, we're trying to solve for NF. So what we're going to do is we're going to have this, and so let's do that right now. I'm going to say NF, and we're going to do some mental algebra. Okay, so it's going to be sigma A, which is this value right here. Sigma A, that value is the same for all these cases. So I'm going to lock the columns and the rows with this dollar symbol. And then I'm going to divide everything by 1 minus sigma m over, here's my sigma m. Sigma m changes, so I'm not going to lock the columns and rows, over the true strength, so this one. This one is the same, so I'm going to lock the columns and the rows, close the parentheses of the denominator, divide everything by sigma prime f right here. This one again is constant. And then we're going to elevate everything to the 1 over b power. And this is also the same for all three calculations. These are the results that we're supposed to obtain. Okay, so now here's what we did. We had this, then we divided by this, and then we elevated everything to the 1 over b so that this exponent went away, and now we have 2nf. So we need to divide by 2 on both sides. So we divide everything by 2. Now, I don't think this parentheses is necessary, but I'm going to put it anyway just in case. I'm dividing everything by 2. I'm elevating to 1 over b all of this, where all of this is what? This sigma a, which is what we want, divided by 1 minus sigma m over sigma prime fb, divided by, this is this part right here. This is sigma prime f. Okay, so we put enter, and we get the cycles that we were expecting. Click on this, and we get all these other cycles. Okay, so that's how you do it. I'll see you on the next exercise.